Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by to my channel, my name is Atinike. So today I'll be sharing with you guys how I achieved this lovely DIY jumbo braids using Brazilian wool. So the things we are going to be using in this video, we're going to be needing Brazilian wool, shine and jam, then band to hold the head, and we are going to be using a band method. So guys, let's get right into the video. You can see that we're just going straight into the video. So after I section my hair, I'm going to use shine and jam. I'll apply it at the roots, then I'm going to hold it down with a band. So at the back I section 3, then the next one was 4. Just keep on watching to see how I achieve these, as in few hours. I would say hours, because it didn't take me hours to achieve these. So I was actually traveling the second day, and I don't want to rock wig or tie a scarf or just put anything on my hair. I just want my hair to be free. So just check out how I achieved this gorgeous jumbo braid within few hours to my traveling. So can you please keep on watching? So the things you need is just cut the Brazilian wool to the length you want. And this hairstyle was long. I made it long. So for each braid, I used 44 strands of Brazilian wool for each braid. I use 44 strands of Brazilian wool. So for the whole hairstyle, I used 7 packs of Brazilian wool. Yes, 7 bundle of Brazilian wool. It was very lightweight. You don't need up to that amount if you don't want it to be long like mine. But I want mine to be long, which you are going to see towards the end of this video. And this method I'm using to braid is very, very easy, beginner friendly method. So can you please keep on watching to see how I did towards the end, because I didn't burn the end with a lighter. I don't want it to stuck to my cardigan. And I'm going to give you a tip on how you can make the mouth to be straight, so when you put it as in into a cap when you want to sleep in the night, the next morning, so that it won't fold. As in, you understand what I'm trying to say? So if you don't want towards the end to give you a problem, I would advise you to dip it into the hot water. Yes, dip this into the hot water. But I didn't dip mine into the hot water because I don't have a lot of time. I don't have a lot of time at all to do that. So I didn't dip mine into the hot water. So add some sheen to add some shine to it. The only thing you need in the morning, spray it with some sheen to add some shine. Then if you want to lay your edges, you can. But if you don't want to lay your edges, you are good to go. So this is the final look. I could not even make up to do the final look for you guys, but without makeup, it's still on point. It's still beautiful. The hair is giving what it's supposed to give. Please don't forget to subscribe to this amazing channel. Please guys, subscribe and watch my hand. Like, please guys, please. Thank you so much for all the support, all the love. See my next video. As I do say, stay blessed always. Bye.